Hello everyone, welcome to Brainy Trivia. In this video, we will be learning about Ethereum, a type of cryptocurrency as a part of a crypto and Bitcoin playlist. Now let's start our video. First, what is Ethereum? Ethereum is a decentralized open source blockchain with smart contract functionality.
Wait, what contract?
It is a contract which is self-executing and the agreement of terms between the buyer and the seller, which are written in codes. And these codes execute and control the transaction, and it can also document legally relevant information or events. Ether, ETH or the symbol, is the native cryptocurrency of the platform. Don't get confused, Ethereum is the platform and Ether is the crypto. After Bitcoin, it is the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. It has its own programming language called the Solidity. It is similar to Bitcoins but very different and more advanced in many ways. As a blockchain network, Ethereum is a decentralized public ledger for verifying and recording transactions. The network's users can create, publish, monetize, and use applications on the platform. Insiders call the decentralized applications on the network dApps, D-A-P-P-S, dApps. The creation and history of Bitcoins. While searching for the creators of Ethereum, there were a lot of names.
Let's hear them.
I will tell the names later in this video. Now let's look at the main person who created Ethereum. Vitalik Buterin, a programmer and co-founder of Bitcoin magazine, first proposed Ethereum in 2013. In 2014, development was crowdfunded and the network went live on 2015, and he now serves as the company's CEO and its public face. Buterin is sometimes described as the world's youngest crypto billionaire. He was born in 1994. Now let's look at the names I mentioned earlier. Ethereum has an unusually long list of founders. Anthony D. Lorio wrote, Ethereum was founded by Vitalik Buterin, myself, Charles Hoskinson, Mihai Halisi, and Amir Chetrit. These are the initial 5. He wrote this in December 2013. And later on, Joseph Lubin, Gavin Wood, and Jeffrey Wilke were added in early 2014 as founders.
Wow, that's a lot than I imagined. Okay, why was it named as Ethereum?
Buterin chose the name Ethereum after browsing a list of elements from science fiction on Wikipedia. He stated, I immediately realized that I liked it better than all of the other alternatives that I had seen. I suppose it was the fact that it sounded nice and it had the word ether, referring to the hypothetical invisible medium that permeates the universe and allows light to travel. Buterin wanted his platform to be the underlying and imperceptible medium for the applications running on top of it. The platform allows developers to deploy permanent and immutable decentralized applications on it, with which users can interact. Decentralized finance applications, which provide a broad array of financial services without the need for typical financial intermediaries such as brokerages, exchanges, or banks, allowing cryptocurrency users to borrow against their holdings or lend them out for interest. It also allows for the creation and exchange of NFTs, which are non-interchangeable tokens connected to a digital work of art or other real-world items and sold as a unique digital property. Additionally, many other cryptocurrencies operate as ERC20 tokens on top of the Ethereum blockchain and have utilized the platform for initial coin offerings. Now let's see about Ethereum 2.0. It is the update of the existing Ethereum. Ethereum has started implementing a series of open source development upgrades called Ethereum 2.0, which includes a transition to proof of stake and aims to increase transaction throughput using sharding, which is currently going on. This is known as the Ethereum 2.0 or ETH2 or ETH2. The main purpose of the upgrade is to increase transaction throughput for the network from the current of about 15 transactions per second to up to tens of thousands of transactions per second. As a cryptocurrency, Ethereum is second in market value only to Bitcoin as of May 2021. If I find the current value of the ether, at the time of creating this content, I was not able to find the current value. If I find the current value, you will be seeing it now. Moving on, the ether cryptocurrency was designed to be used within the Ethereum network. However, like Bitcoin, ether is now an accepted form of payment by some merchants and service vendors. Overstock, Shopify, and Cheaper are among the online sites that accept ether as payment. So if you did not see the other 3 videos in this series, it will be available in the end screen in just a little bit. So I hope you would have enjoyed it and learned something new. If you like the video, press the like symbol and subscribe the channel for more videos about facts and other things related to education. Thank you. The playlist is available in 3, 2, 1 here. Watch and enjoy them.